Hello everyone, welcome to my CAD/CAM channel. Today I will show you how to create a 3D model from the existing 2D drawing with the help of FreeCAD tools like Extrude, Pocket, Mirror, and Hole. This is the exercise for today that we need to convert this 2D drawing into 3D solid part. As you know, there are several ways or steps to create this 3D solid part. Here you find the steps and the tools that I used to convert this 2D drawing into 3D solid part. First, click simply this button to start the FreeCAD Workspace and to create the parametric solid part. As you see, the body is inserted automatically. In step 1, we sketch the side view profile on YZ plane and we create a solid part with the help of the Extrude tool. These are the dimensions for the first sketch. Activate the Sketch tool and select the YZ plane. First, sketch 3 circles at the origin and on the vertical axis. Constrain the rectangular profile with the circles. Now, remove unnecessary edges and curves with the Trim tool. Assign a dimension to the upper circle. Create roughly the shape of the profile and then put the dimensions later. Now, assign the dimensions. Select the lines and activate the Mirror tool and then select the vertical axis. Trim unnecessary edges and curves. Now constrain the geometries from the right side to the left side. The sketch is full constrained, then close the sketch. Select the sketch and activate the Extrude tool and then select the option Symmetry. Extrude it by 50 millimeters. In step 2, we sketch the cutout profile to remove material from the created solid part with the help of the Pocket tool. Select the top flat surface and then activate the Sketch tool. Choose this tool to extract the reference edges. Activate the centered rectangle tool and sketch on the vertical axis. Convert the reference edge to construction line. As you see, the sketch is full constrained. Select the sketch and activate the Pocket tool and then set the depth to 40 millimeters. Now, we create a hole with a radius of 6 millimeters. Select the whole top surface and then activate the Sketch tool. Extract the reference edge. Now, the sketch is fully constrained. Select the sketch and activate the Pocket tool and then select the option through all. Now, we mirror the two pockets about XZ plane. Select the pockets and activate the Mirror tool and then select the mirror axis. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. In step 3, we remove again material from the top part of the created part with the help of Pocket tool. Activate the Sketch tool and select the YZ plane. Activate the View Section tool to see the sketch plane. Click Close to exit the fully constrained sketch. Select the sketch and activate the Pocket tool and then select the option's symmetry. The depth of the pocket is 20 millimeters. That is for today. Please follow the other videos to learn more about FreeCAD. See you in the next video. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you for watching.